Alright guys, welcome to another video. It is a new day and a different beach. I have not been having a lot of luck this year so far, as you know, so I haven't been putting out any videos, but it was so sunny I wanted to come out and fish for a few minutes. So yeah, I guess that does it for the intro. Let's get to it. Alright guys, doing a sandworm to start, just keeping it easy. Got board shorts on today, my pasty legs because I have no tan. Put a 3/4 ounce weight on today because the surf is a little big and I can bomb it way out there with a 3/4 ounce, so. Whoa. Hey, got a bite there. Whew. I was trying to put my gloves on. Alright, no gloves. Back in the pocket. Damn it. Come on. There we go. Small guy. Sorry. There we go. Nice little small surf perch. Nothing real sizable, but get the skunk. All right, get the skunk out. There we go. Whew. See you, guy. All right. No skunk day. Way out there. Not as far as I thought, but I put new line on this reel. It's already starting to bird nest on me, which sucks. Just got to keep an eye on it. There we go. One nice hole right over here. Right out there. Whoa. Oh, there we go. That's a bite. There's another bite. There we go. Got another little one. There we go, guys. Nice little perch. There you go. Easy hook. Release. There we go. Nice cast. That was way out there. It's good. Couple so far. This pole, I haven't fished this since I was in New Zealand. That was I don't know how many years ago. Almost a dozen years ago, something like that. I made a crappy video of it that's on my channel from a while back. You can look that up. But I just had it in storage. Finally decided to break it out again. It still works great, obviously. Catching a couple fish, it's performing nicely, so it's not all deteriorated, you know, if you take care of your stuff. Lasts a long time. Can't tell if that's bites or the bottom. I think it's both. There we go. Yeah, little one. A little bigger. He just didn't fight very hard. Sweet. What was that? Look at the colors on that. Super pretty. All right, let him back in. Not bad, catching a little one every few minutes. All right, lost the bait, so good time to switch to a Lucky Craft. Sexy smelt. It's got some rattles inside. Give her a whirl. Get that out of the way. See what else we got to choose from here. There we go. Some brand new Lucky Craft Cherry Berry. Got another one in the car. Oh, you know what actually? Is this one new? Yeah, I think it is. Doesn't matter. Got another one in the car that's pretty beat up and used that I've caught a lot of fish on, but we got a new guy for once, why not? All right, guys, per usual, Cherry Berry. I use this a lot. Link in description, blah, blah, blah. And this is what it boils down to when you're as informal about fishing as I am. Damn, almost got taken down there. Give a few casts with this and then I'll call it a day. I can feel it getting stuck in the grass beds out there. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, please stay on, please stay on. Got something. There we go. Nice little halibut. Phew! Tiny. Better than nothing though. They're out here. That means the cherry berry's working. Here we go. All right. Sweet. Well guys, that'll do it. I'm gonna take off. I'm hungry. I wasn't planning on keeping anything today, but nothing was worth keeping anyway. So yeah, I don't usually keep stuff. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna get out of here. It's been a beautiful day. Got stuff to do for the evening. So sorry it's been so long since I made a video. I've just been really busy, and then the few times I've been out, I just got skunked. I don't know what else to say. I wasn't gonna put out a skunk video. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate your support. Of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you on another one soon. Thanks.